Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harshal, and today I'll analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we'll try to see what are the levels which we can look for going forward. So today on expiry day, we closed somewhere around 9490. Okay, so first let me draw the trend line. So right from here, as of now, Nifty is following this. Okay, this is one. If I check on the daily time frame, if I check on the daily time frame, so Nifty has formed this fresh demand zone, which is 9177 level. Since the candle is very big, the big leg out candle. So I'm marking this at somewhere around here, which is aggressive entry because there are very low chances that we can get somewhere around 9100. So as of now, I'm just keeping it somewhere around here. Okay, this is one, right? Another thing, let me draw Fibonacci from this high to this recent low. Okay, now I was looking out for this level, which was 61.8, and today we got a close above 9474. We closed somewhere around 9490. So we need to sustain about this level for fresh up move. Okay, for fresh up move, we need to sustain about this level. One other is this gap is already filled. Okay, this gap is already filled. One another thing is I have a very huge gap somewhere around here. I have a very huge gap. So last time the gap was filled almost somewhere till here. So I'm expecting this gap to be filled till here, which is 9729. But before that, I have this level, which is 9661. So still, I would say maybe 200 points of rally we can expect, no doubt about it. But again, let me get rid of this, and first I will see that where can we go long, because as of now we can look for buy on dips. So on daily chart we see level somewhere around 9190. Let me go on to a lower time frame and see if we have something. So okay, this gap is filled. There's still a huge gap. Okay, this, and if I draw, so again 9150. So I don't have any demand over here as of now. So the way it has gone up, it can come down as well. Okay, let me check on a 4 hour chart. If I say this was, if I say this was the Fibonacci. Okay, this was the Fibonacci. So it reversed from here. Now, uh, let me go and try to take the extension. So which was somewhere around here, right? So now I would say 9370 was the level, which was the first target, which is already done. Second is also done. Now third is 9570. Now let me now get rid of this Fibonacci. Okay, this is done. This is also done, and this is going candle. Now 9571 is the level. If I say 9571 somewhere around here, then it is the also kind of, I would say, resistance of the previous candle from which we saw a huge fall. So we might get a retracement. Nifty can do like this. It can go like this from here, and then maybe we can get a retracement. So again, there is a possibility. If we are getting a close above 9571, we can we can look for this gap to be filled, which is 9732, which is maybe another 150 points of rally, right? So as of now, if you want to initiate along, again the level is 9150. That is on 4 hour time frame, and 9571 is the resistance for Nifty. Okay, so I would hesitate to go long at current market price. Okay, since today was expiry, so that was expected. Now If I go on to a lower time frame again on hourly chart, I have this candle, but I'm not fond of this candle. I'm not fond of this candle because it's very small. I need a very big candle. This is very small, so there are high chances that your stop loss will get hit. Okay, so this is one thing. In case if we are getting a fall, there are high chances that we may penetrate entire this demand, which is almost I guess 30 points, right? And we can come down again to this level, which is this level, which is again coinciding with your 4 hour time frame, which is coinciding with your 4 hour time frame, this time frame, right? So there are chances that we can come down to 9120. Okay, in case if we are closing above 9571, then again there is very huge chance that we can touch this level, which is 9732 again, because the reason we can touch 9732 is if I try to draw Fibonacci from here to this recent low. So I have this level which is 9656. Okay, and considering that I'm going to expect this gap to be filled, this is easily achievable. In fact, then we can again go till 9800, because once the gap is achieved, if I say on boring candle, this would be blue, red, and again. So this is not a quality supply, because I have one red, this should have been red, right? So we can go to 9700 also, we can touch 9800 also, 9900 also. So it looks very bullish as of now, but we closed at a very crucial level, which is 9473 was the level, and we closed somewhere around 9488, 9490. So in case if we get a fall, we have demand somewhere around 9130. So in this range, ideally we are supposed to avoid Nifty. We are supposed to avoid going long. Okay. So this is the view on Nifty. Okay. Let me check what we have on Bank Nifty. Uh, if I go on to a daily chart of Bank Nifty, let me get rid of this. I need this boring candle. Okay. Now, if I draw Fibonacci from this to this, so okay, we closed above this. Now, 50% is somewhere around here, right? 19531, and we almost made a high of 19455. So there might we can I mean we may find some resistance over here again. One another is, this was the gap, this was the gap which is filled today. So there was a gap which is filled today, right? In case if we are closing above 50%, again the level is this one, which is 220,116, and again it is a high of this candle. Again, it is a high of this candle. So people who are following support and resistance can consider this also as a resistance, and we can initiate short position, right? One, in case if you are getting a close about 20,100, this level, then again huge chance of Bank Nifty giving a very wild rally to cover this gap, because we don't have any supply zone. So I would punch in my target over here, which is 20,900 again, and the final level would be this one, 21.3, which is way too far. So we would talk anything about that right now. And now let me see, let me get rid of Fibonacci, and now see if we have any demand zone. So let me go on to a 4 hour chart. On daily chart we don't have any demand. Okay, on 4 hour chart I have a demand around 17,700. Okay, on 4 hour chart I don't have anything. I'll again go down to, let's say, 1 hour chart. If I go on to a 1 hour chart, I have this demand, which is somewhere around 18,800. So again 700 points of fall. Sorry, current market price is 18,150 and 18,800. But if you see, there's a huge this thing. I mean, a difference between this high and low. So I wouldn't like to go long in this level, because the risk reward should be always favorable. So I can see there's almost 450 points of difference in this. So again, I will go on to a lower time frame. Again, I will go on to a lower time frame. If I go on to a lower time frame, I have this level, right? 18,600. So I will get rid of. Okay, before going on to 18,600, I have this level now, right? I have this level, which is okay. So let me get rid of this. Okay, okay. So 18,780 level is the one wherein we can go long, and this would be the stop loss. So maybe I guess almost 100 points. But again, I'm not initiating any trade in Bank Nifty. I just go through Bank Nifty because it is having a very high weightage on Nifty, right? Bank Nifty, there are a lot of stocks which are having a very high weightage on Nifty, right? Rally base drop. So this is one conservative and this is aggressive. So we closed on 15-minute supply zone in Bank Nifty. So it depends where are we opening tomorrow. Okay, one. We if you're following demand and supply, just see because see if I again draw a Fibonacci, so from low to high, if I select boring candle, then this is coming above 50%. This level is coming above 50%. So it may give you a chance and it may go up, but I always try to go long whenever it is below 50% because I want the demand to be matching with the low on the curve, I would say, which is somewhere around this. So this is very good level to go long in Bank Nifty, and I always look for a very small risk, right? So if you see, this is the level 17,900, this, which is way too far, right? So this you can play intraday, but positional, this is the one which looks very good. Okay, there was a gap which was filled, and now again there is a gap. If you see, here, we have a gap, right? So again, there is high chance that Bank Nifty can come down. It may give you a small retracement from here, but then again, it can. If we are closing below this level, then again it can go down. This is one thing. Another thing is, okay, so that's it from my side for Bank Nifty also. Again, we closed at a very crucial level. We covered the gap here, and now this is like the boring candle as of now on Bank Nifty. So always check for the levels before initiating any trade because as of now for me Nifty looks very good. Bank Nifty can give you a wild move in case if there is a fall. In case if there is a fall, this candles, it though it looks green, big green candle, but then it won't give you a support. You will find support only at this blue candles, right? So this is one. So yeah, that's it. I was looking for this gap is already filled. So I feel that we should go a bit down first before going again on the upside. One. Let me see if I draw this trend line. Okay, let me draw it from here. Okay, if I draw a trend line from here, so it was getting completed exactly at this level, right? Exactly at this level. So if I say ABC pattern, so A, B, and C, and AB is always equal to CD. So that's why exactly at one we got the retracement. Now we are going up one. Another is let me remove this. Okay. Another is a retracement. I'll take it from here and okay. Okay. So very important level, and today we touch this level exactly at this level. So this is very important, right? I can't ignore this level. If I want to initiate a trade in Bank Nifty, I would want Bank Nifty to close above 19,484. which is very important level again. In case if you are getting a fall, in case if you are getting a fall, now the next level which I can see for to go long on Bank Nifty is again, I'll draw Fibonacci at this level, somewhere around here. Okay, and let me draw three levels, or at least two levels as of now. One is this, other is this. Okay, now remove this boring candle, go on to a lower time frame. So on a 4 hour chart, okay, I don't have anything. On a 1 hour chart, mm, okay, so this is the level which is 18,000. So I would say Bank Nifty, I would say Bank Nifty should give you a retracement somewhere around here. Okay, so I would hesitate to go long on Bank Nifty as of now because the gap is filled. Exactly. If it is giving you a close above 19,000, this level, which is 19,484, it's very good. Then again, I'll turn bullish because there's a very huge gap and we will find a very huge rally somewhere around here. So this is one, and don't don't ignore don't ignore this demand zone, which looks very good. This zone looks very good. So yes, that's it. We may find a retracement, and again, I won't say that this is not demand. Again, this is a very good demand, but only thing is it's having almost 400 points of difference. So you can go on to a lower time frame and you can see where exactly you can go long, right? So that's it from my side. In case if you have any doubts, any queries, if you want to ask anything about the levels, if you are not able to understand Fibonacci or maybe demand and supply, I have already created a video on demand and supply, and you can always see how demand supply works. I'll show you a couple of example of demand and supply, the way it is working. This was Jindal Steel. If I go on to boring candle, drop, base, rally, rally. Third day, it gave a retracement at exactly at this level, which is 93.7. And now if you see today prices 119, almost 120. So from here, there was a very good rally. Okay. There are more examples. I'll be coming up with more examples for demand and supply. But then just do back testing and see if it's working for you. So thank you friends for watching this video. Have a nice time. Thank you.